Betrayal does not stop the work of God. It doesn't do that. It's night. Jesus will be arrested. He will be flogged. He will be crucified. He will die. But guess what? He will rise again. Betrayal, even betrayal as deep as this, betrayal at the table from inside the house doesn't stop the work of God. In fact, the very next thing that Jesus is going to tell his disciples, and he's going to use this piece of vocabulary repeatedly, I will be glorified. If you are betrayed, God is still at work. Let's be completely honest about how this happens, how this hits us sometimes. Betrayal changes our path. It changes our expectations. It changes the way we think the next day is going to go. It changes who we think we're going to walk through our future with. Betrayal just shuffles the table. We just don't know exactly what to do with it. But it never diminishes the power of God at work inside of your life. None of it surprises him. None of it shuffles his expectations. He is still at work. Other people will betray you, but God never will.